I'll take the wheel.
It's not even hurt. Is it not gonna hurt if it's empty?
It's smoking. It's smoking. Oh, there's someone just... Ask him nicely to kill you.
Kill me,
Also, I love how we're
shit.
doing this, and it's like we literally could have just dropped. Oh, they're there. They just left. They were like, you're not even worth it. Oh, this guy.
Oh, damn it.
Dude, how is no one trying to kill you? Jeffers is gonna win this fucking game because no one's
I'm
trying to kill him.
trying to die so bad. Look at this. Andrew would think I would die immediately. Dude, the helicopter's stalling me. Wow! Oh, he's got to stop the building.
It's sort of baffling at this point. Like, the helicopter lost you. They don't know where you're at. They got you.
He's
no,
after me. Oh, he's after me.
That was funny. That was a good move. You lost him with that for a second. He definitely wasn't expecting that to sneak. Dude,
How is he
he's
still
gonna
after me? The most amazing friend in all of college. He's on top of me.
Just blow up the car and then it'll blow up the helicopter. Oh no, they're on top of you. Actually, I think they blew themselves up.
Oh my god!
Yes, we took that one. We'll be back to finish the job.
Oh my god!
Right,
Oh my
did you
god!
get
Oh
that?
my god!
Right?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
I got that.
Did you get that?
Off your ass, get a move on.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! What was that?
Oh my god! I couldn't stop laughing.
I turned right, he drove in the fucking... He drove in the goddamn... He was inside the hangar!
Oh my god.
Hey, pull us out. I'm gonna end that clip so I can go find that.
Dude, you have to